Hello again, my capacitors are in. Here's what the new part looks like. So what I ended up purchasing is from mauserelectronics.com, and it is the brand name is Nichicon, which are it's a very good brand for electrolytic caps. And the manufacturer part number, the Nichicon part number, is LKX 2D471 M as in Mary, ESZ35, and it is rated for audio applications, and it is a little bit better than the other one, still 470 microfarads, 200 volts, but it is 105 volts, 105 degrees C temperature. The other parameter that you have to be concerned with when you order these things is the size, because they may not fit on the board, especially in this case where they are side by side. So these are 22 millimeters wide diameter by 40 millimeters, and this one is the same 22 millimeters in diameter, but it's actually only 37 millimeters high, so even better on the height, and again better on the temperature performance, and again rated for audio applications. So they were about $4.50 each, and shipping was almost as much as the two capacitors combined together. So in any case, it was 16 bucks. I did buy the paste for the heatsink. I don't have that yet, but of course I am going to put this together right now just to try it out and see how it works. So I'll be putting it back in the box temporarily without screwing anything down, and then that way I can take it back out and apply the paste when I get that later next week. So that's what I'm going to do now. Fire up the Siren Iron. I'm probably going to stay at the 700 degree temperature normally used for soldering applications, and yeah, putting that in. Again, make sure you remember to put the right polarity in the right places. All right, so effectively this is all put back together. So again, you have the orange and white wires going to the banana jacks for input. Then you have this connector plugged in there, and you have this connector plugged in. There is a big thick wire right there that goes from the speaker, positive and negative terminals, to that wire goes down there into the filter. So these are the only connections. I'm going to leave the amplifier loose inside. So again, I'm just going to plug it in for a little bit just to hear it work, I guess. All right, so it is temporarily back in place, and I powered it on, and unfortunately it does not work. Well, sort of. So I will put on a clip of the actual noise that I hear now in the speaker. All right, so that is still the noise that I get out of this thing. But I said sort of, because what I ended up discovering, sort of by accident almost, is that the noise, because it's so rhythmic, it sounded like it was introduced by the AC line, which again could still be a sign of bad capacitors in the power supply section of the amplifier. But what I thought of doing is making sure that this thing was plugged in, isolated from the rest of the instruments that are plugged in here. What I found is that by actually plugging it in totally in a different room of the house, the noise went away completely. So I started investigating, and it turns out that when I unplugged my Roku box, okay, the noise went away. And then I discovered that I realized that the Roku box was sitting right on top of my receiver. It was sitting right here. And if I moved it around, the noise would change. It would get higher or lower. So bottom line is, for some reason, the little Roku box, again, this worked for a year and a half. I've had this thing for over a year and a half. For some reason, the Roku box started introducing noise into this whole setup here. So I moved it away from the receiver. It's sitting on the bottom shelf there, and the noise completely went away. So basically, the conclusion is that I wasted $20 and 3 days of my life to try to repair this thing. But you know what? It was a good experience, and now I know that you know, it works fine. So not exactly the outcome I was hoping for. Well, again, sort of, because I did end up resolving the situation. Just I wish I didn't have to spend $20 to do it. So. But anyways, that was the outcome here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like the video, watch other videos on my channel, and good luck. Thanks.